Today I'm going to play through a handful of small musical excerpts, and what you're going to try to do is identify the tonic note. Now, the tonic note is the one that sounds like the home. It's the home base. The whole piece orbits around this particular tone. So if I was playing, I don't know, Row Your Boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row. It's the C that permeates the whole thing. Now, obviously, if you're doing this by ear, I don't expect you to identify the specific letter name of the note, but I want you to find the tone. So if I'm playing Twinkle Twinkle, you can hear C is your home base. The whole piece kind of always returns, even when you're going through various chord variations, you're eventually getting to that home note, and the home note sounds like a place of rest. It sounds like a conclusion, or you can think of it as sounding like a period at the end of a sentence. So let's get started with some excerpts, and we'll just see what happens in practice. All right, so in this case, it's a D, but again, it doesn't really matter in this case. That's the sound of return that we get from this particular piece. For this Polonaise, G, this is our home note. And although we move away from it, we always return to it, especially at the end of the musical sentence. If you're having a difficult time pitch matching, I mean, that's part of the exercise here. We're trying to unify to a particular tone. If you have no sense of pitch, this is going to be the kind of exercise that'll probably be a little harder for you. And it's beyond the scope of what we're going to be doing these 30 days to pitch match, but that would be something to practice if you can't hear the difference. So again, we're starting here, and even when we're finishing the passage, we're returning to the bass note, which is a C. In this case, we have basically an F chord, so the tone, the home bass, or in a lower octave, dum. A little harder for my voice to hit that one. And again, even when we wander away from this tone, we're always returning to that tonic sound. Let's do one more. A faster excerpt. C is our tonic, so you can kind of hum that throughout. I had a hard time playing and humming throughout the whole duration of that. You get the idea. So again, if you can't really identify if you're matching the pitch accurately or not, then that's a separate thing that you're going to want to train a little bit for. This requirement, which is, something that the ABRSM requires, but not so much the RCM, if that kind of examination standard matters to you.